How you start your day defines the rest of it. And the Saeco Xelsis knows how to start yours. The variety and easy customization of the Saeco Xelsis are perfect for a day filled with the same. Select from over 15 varieties of exquisitely crafted world-class coffee drinks, each customizable to your individual taste with the coffee equalizer. "15 exquisite coffee drinks, easily crafted to your taste."
Toffee latte, cafe mocha, espresso martini, caramel cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
For many people, cafe-quality coffee made easy and effortlessly at home is simply an enigma. Let's take a look at the new Oracle Touch. It's the next generation of fully automatic espresso machines. Let's jump in and see how easy it is to use. There's a clever touch screen. You simply swipe and select your favourite coffee. It guides you through on how to make it. I can even save my own favourites and name them. Love it. Let's make a latte, shall we? I'll show you how easy it is. This is a portafilter. Most espresso machines in cafes have one. Without this, you just can't replicate cafe quality coffee at home. Grinding, dosing and tamping can be tough, even for a seasoned pro, but this machine does it automatically for you. Precise water temperature, at the right pressure and the right time are the keys to a balanced tasting espresso. The difference between a sweet or ashy tasting espresso can be as little as 1 degree in the extraction. This machine uses advanced PID temperature control, same as the espresso machine in my cafe. Now it's time to brew. The very best commercial machines use low pressure to gently expand the grinds prior to the full 9-bar pump pressure. So does the Oracle Touch. Take a look at this perfectly prepared espresso shot. It flows from the portafilter spout like warm honey. Finally, let's texture some milk. When I'm texturing milk, I need to think about temperature, as well as the texture for the drink I'm making, but now both are balanced automatically. This is where most struggle at home, but the Oracle Touch creates true cafe quality microfoam. Without this microfoam, milk is likely to sit as a layer on top of the espresso and lack a full body taste. And it even cleans itself. Microfoam milk entraps the oils of the espresso and creates a sweet and balanced flavour. Now that's cafe quality without compromise. This truly is the next generation of fully automatic espresso machines. The Breville Oracle Touch.